Hey guys, Steve here. Today we're going to be working on the trailer. The shop's a little bit of a mess, so get that cleaned up a little bit. Bring the trailer on in, and I'm going to install a winch on it today. Alright, so let's get the Mustang moved here. It's been a while since she ran, so we'll see. Hopefully she'll fire up. The door is opened up, so. Ugh. Oh yeah, she's got power. Easy peasy. Get this moved out of the way here. Alright, so I'm going to try and get this door open just a little bit, because last time I had the trailer in here, it was a bit of a tight squeeze to get it past these two doors, so I just need to get it open at least a foot. So we'll see, hopefully. Oh. Alright, that's good enough. I got quite the mess going on here. Things everywhere. Let's get it cleaned up just real quick. Or at least not really cleaned up, just moved out of the way. Did a power steering pump on Jessica's Suzuki. So, did that the other day. Changed out the fluid, everything. These are all parts because it was getting late and I didn't feel like cleaning up. So this all moved. Ay, 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 ay. All right. Y'all there. All right. So today, I got a trailer about a week ago. Been wanting one for a long time. Finally said screw it, I'm just gonna go get one. Got one, and it's bone stock. It's just a standard 18-foot car trailer. So yesterday I ran to town, Harbor Freight, got a winch for it. So I'm going to install that today. That way I'll be able to pick up and haul cars like I want to. And once I'm done with all that, get that box body over there situated. Be able to haul it to car shows and the track and everything else. So let's enough chit chat. Let's go see. Let's go show you the trailer here. Got it around here. Ta-da! It's a beauty. It's got 7,000-pound axles on it, so it'll hold a truck, SUV, car, whatever I want to throw on it. So yeah, there's that. I'll get it hooked up to the truck over here. Dad's Jeep. Poor guy. Damn. Oh yeah, you guys haven't seen my truck. It's a 07 Harley Davidson edition. Thing's badass, I love it. This thing's got all the bells and whistles. Sounds mean. I got this thing for a good deal. Leather seats. Got the badging in the. Pretty cool. But it's number 434. I think like 2,000, 3,000, something like that. I have no idea how many of these they made that year. So this one is the all-wheel drive model. So it does not have the supercharger on it, but that's okay. It's still got plenty of power to do what I need it to do, and it's got four-wheel drive. But it's got a sunroof. Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa. Alright, you guys are gonna hang tight here. I don't have a backup camera or nothing on this thing, so we'll see how close I can get it. I mean, it's pretty close. Okay, I might move you guys down here so you see. That's better. Now, hopefully I can get it close enough without smashing my phone. Alright, that's close enough. Just slide it a little bit. Now, I'm gonna have to, can't slide it very well, I'll have to put you down. Alright, 2 hands, here we go. Come on, trailer, let's scooch. This thing's heavy. I'll back up a little bit. That's okay. We're pretty close now. Go forward now. Close enough. I hope. We'll find out. Why? Why? Oh my goodness. Come on, drop down in there. Almost there. Come on, baby. Forward just a little bit more. Alright, I think we got her. Whew. Come on, drop down in there. There you go. Yeah, now we're in business. Took a little bit of effort to put it in, but I got it. So let's get it brought around. Move it, cat. Get my truck. Got my truck. Got my truck, cat. All right. Got her back in. Are you gonna help me, cat? You're gonna help me? You gonna help me? Mm-hmm. So I went and got this earlier this week, before I got the winch, to see how it would mount on here. I was gonna put it down here instead of having it on the trailer itself, on the bed part, but there's too much of a gap and it wasn't quite fitting across the whole thing, so I'm just going to put it up here, butt it up against the railing. I'm pretty sure that'll be enough room to put it, and then still have plenty of room to get a car on here and whatnot. This is the winch I end up getting. It's the new, the newer version of the ZXR. It's the 12,000 pound winch. I was gonna go with the 9,000 pound, but I said screw it. I'll fork over for the 12,000 pound just so I have the extra pulling power if need to be. But anything, this thing's only gonna be pulling small cars, small trucks, nothing too crazy. So this one's got more than enough with a little extra if I need it. But I went with this one. It was a few dollars more than the old ZXR, but I like the design on this one a little bit better. So, and I went with the wire rope instead of the synthetic. So I'll just show you what you get inside, just in case if you ever were deciding to buy one. You get the winch itself with the cable. I have to look and see how long the cable is. Hopefully they'll tell me. Comes with the wire box that wires everything up. Then it comes with the cable. I don't know what they call those things, but it's just to help with the wiring on, I guess, when you go in and out. But it comes with this thingamabobber. I have no idea what the hell they call it. Comes with a remote. Eventually, I'm going to upgrade to the wireless remote, but for now, I'll just use this one. Comes with some hardware, a hook, and I think a ground cable? Some kind of ground cable. I don't know. The ground cables are on this thing, so I don't know. We'll figure out what that one's for. But yep. So you get a hook, a remote, one of those thingamabobbers, and the winch, and thing. Let's see how long this cable is. Alright, so it looks to me like it's about 65 feet of wire. And then this gives you the pound rating. So in order to get the maximum pull at 12,000 pounds, you only have to use the first layer. Because once you go to the second layer, the pull rating drops, and the longer it gets out. So if you're all the way out, you can only pull 6,800 pounds. I mean, I guess I understand it, but I don't. I would think that the pulling power would be the same no matter how far you are, but this is just, I guess, what they're saying. And they recommend that you can only run it for 14 minutes at a time. I don't think I'll be pulling for 14 minutes. And I think it'll only take like a few minutes just to get it up onto the trailer, if that. So we're well below 14 minutes. I guess that's just so you don't burn up the motor. There's a whole bunch of information in here, but like the draw amps, line speed, so in order to achieve maximum line speed, you can't be pulling anything. If you're pulling 12,000 pounds, it's only going to take 4.8 FPMs. I don't know what the fuck FPM is. Feet per minute? Yeah. So if you're all the way out pulling a heavy ass truck, it's going to take you 4 feet a minute. So we'll work on that next. A whole bunch of other shit in here too. And this is the remote it came with. It also came with this really cool switch. I don't know if I'm going to use it. Oops. And it came with this little wire. So basically you take the power wire, hook this box, take this one from this box to your battery, and you can have an on-off switch for the power. So it's a pretty cool feature. I just don't know if I'm going to use it. I might. So yeah, so there's that. The kids' school called. They're getting out early today. Glare on my face, glare on my face. There we go. So the kids are getting out early, so I have to put this on pause. Go grab them, come back, and we'll finish up. That's where I want it. I tried to scoot it back as far as I could without rubbing that bar. So the next thing is trying to get this bracket secured to the trailer. So we'll work on that next. And this is the remote it came with. It also came with this really cool switch. I don't know if I'm going to use it. Oops. And it came with this little wire. So basically you take the power wire, hook this box, take this one from this box to your battery, and you can have an on-off switch for the power. So it's a pretty cool feature. I just don't know if I'm going to use it. I might just run it straight to the battery, but we'll see. But that comes with it as well. Alright, so it's all bolted down. I got it bolted to the bars here on both sides and then to the frame. So that'll work for what I need it to. I haven't welded it yet. I was going to plan on welding it up in there, but I was thinking, well, maybe if I want to take it off, I could just unbolt it and pull it off. So that's where we're at. So that's where I'm at with it. It's all bolted up. Basically, the only thing I got left to do is find a power source for it. And if I need to change something later on down the road, if it's not working out the way I want it to, then I'll add to it, change it up, mount it a different way. But for now, I'm going to try this out and see how it works. So, yeah. So we're done with that. All right. So we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Peace.